till this level.
Iki sudah berapa lama sampai mencapai ketinggian segini?
Lah nek kesel piye? Ya ora pijet ngoten lho niku aku. Terus nyemak kata yo nek.
I started my journey from Bali in Indonesia. To raise awareness about safe soil.
Saat ini ya keliling dunia untuk misi penyelamatan tanah.
Across India, and then have been to Australia. From Australia, I've been to New Zealand, and now in your beautiful country, Indonesia.
Ya sudah
Perhatian terkait dalam misi penyelamatan tanah ini, okay? Karena problem masalah itu terkait dengan masalah tanah tersebut. Dan yang terakhir, nah itu yang terakhir.
Sama-sama.
Well, when I was in my year 10, class 10, I was inspired by Sadhguru to ride this bicycle across the globe. And as just a school student, still I am right now a school student, and I'm doing this journey across the globe. I live in Kolkata. I'm from India, West Bengal, Kolkata. More than 3 years, I started this campaign on 1st of May 2020. So I have started my journey from India. I cycled 15,000 kilometers across India. Then I've been to Australia. After Australia, I've been to New Zealand, and then I've been to Indonesia, cycling from Bali. From Bali, I've visited Surabaya, Jimber, and now towards Navi, and going all the way towards Jogja, Semarang, Cirebon, Purwakarta, and Jakarta. Next journey, I'll be going towards Singapore and Malaysia, then Europe, England, and America. So I'm able to see the lands, they are being kept empty and exposed to direct sunlight. Because of that, the microorganisms which are present in the soil, after plugging, they come into the open surface and they die because of the sunlight. So soil across the globe is definitely not in good condition. The organic matter which has to be there in the soil is not there. It has to be minimum 3 to 6%. But this is the whole motive of the movement, is to raise awareness and influence policy changes in every nation to increase organic content, organic matter in the soil, and incentivize the farmers for doing that. The advice, or I would say I want to speak to the farmers to increase the organic matter in the soil to a minimum of 3 to 6%, so that the food, the crop that comes out from the soil will be significantly better in quality, and it will be more nutritious and healthy, and maybe even tasty. So to do that, you have to maybe turn towards agroforestry or other regenerative or sustainable methods of doing agricultural practices, and increase the organic content by putting, for example, plant waste, animal waste, food waste back in the soil, decrease the use of chemicals and increase natural fertilizers, natural pesticides, insecticides, weedicides, for example, neem oil, and turn towards regen agriculture.